ponytail extensions hurt your head like they do mine, I've got a brilliant solution. So this is a claw clip. I'm not going to do a half up with it. I'm going to teach you how to keep the length of the hair as well. So let's go. So what I want you to do is take up half the hair. When I say half the hair, I actually don't mean that, like the top third of your hair. So this is just going to be a little ponytail. Now where this hair sits is where your ponytail is going to sit. So if you want a higher pony, make sure this top section gets put up higher. I'm just going to clip that out the way. Now, if I was to just put this hair up into a pony and then put the claw clip, can you see how much length I've lost there? And it seems such a shame. So because the claw clip is like sort of layered, you don't need to go as high up. You can bring that ponytail down much lower, and then that way you get to keep all that lovely length. This one is going to go down lower, down here. Then I've managed to keep that length at the back. Release this top section. So where you are putting your bobble, your hair tie, is where this ponytail is going to sit. So as you can see, that's our low pony, this is our little mini high pony, and this is where we're going to clip this in. So it simply just goes around. There is like a tightening system if you need it. I've never kind of needed it. And that is it from the back. This is from the side, but when I come round to the front, you can sort of just wear it like that as though it's like a nice big pony. I sometimes kind of like to bring it forward like that. But as you can see, because we did that longer ponytail, that lower ponytail, you've kept the length. There's loads of different colours of these. I absolutely love them. But yeah, that is my little top tip for the day.